just finished our breakfast, a slightly late breakfast if we're honest. We were up a bit late today. Yesterday was a long day. We did quite a bit of walking at Fremont Market. We walked all around the ballpark, then we walked home. Then we had a little bit of a wander around Pike Place and on the seafront, so our feet were hurting, our heads were hurting, so we slept in a little bit this morning. So right now we're in quite an old-fashioned, quite an old restaurant that's quite famous in Pike Place called the Athenian. It's a seafood restaurant and diner. We just had a traditional breakfast with some hash browns and eggs and sausage, which was really good. We enjoyed it because it's an absolutely fantastic view out across the water of Seattle, if you can all see. Fantastic, a lovely place to have breakfast and a nice cup of coffee. So today we've got a relaxed but I think kind of interesting day planned. From here we're going to take a walk up Union Street in Seattle, obviously, and we're going to go to the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. Now I've seen lots of pictures of it. It looks fantastic. It's where they roast a lot of the coffee beans, and you can try different types of coffee, different types of pastry and things, and you can see a lot of the coffee making process, and it sounds like it'll be a visually and aromatically quite interesting experience. So we're both kind of excited about that. As I said, a relatively gentle day. We're not going to do any crazy walking around or anything like that. So after the roastery, we're going to come back to Pike Place and we're going to have a little bit of a food tour. Tracy's really excited to eat some seafood and stuff, and we're just excited to have any different kinds of funky food that we can find. In the evening, the relaxation will continue because we're on a sunset sailboat tour. Apparently we like racing yacht, and it can take us out onto the water and we can enjoy some different views of Seattle. So that should be nice and fun. Part one of our food tours kicked off. I've started with a organic raspberry slushy. A little bit expensive for me, it's $7, but really good and nice and cool on a hot day like today. So what are you doing, Tracy?
Pear apple slushy. Just overfilled.
Super. Get your money's worth.
Don't think I can get it out. May mess it up a little bit.
Super. How is it?
Really nice. Yeah, you can taste the pear and the apple. It's really, really nice. And $6. They're not bad.
Cheaper than mine.
Cheaper than balls.
No.
I'd recommend people trying when they come. I'm personally not bothered about the sauce, but with lemon it's really, really nice. So what have you got?
So I'm not as adventurous as Tracy, and I don't like seafood anywhere near as much, so I've gone for a very old-fashioned American option for my corn dog.
Which we don't get in the UK. Let's have a look.
It's not classy, not haute cuisine, it's good. Okay, for our next stop on our little food tour, we're at Los Agaves, Mexican street food. And we're going to sample a couple of tacos. And one of the things I do like Pike Place is doesn't have the tendency to be a little bit pricey. You can pay $20, $30 for something pretty basic, something pretty simple. Like we walk past Lowell's, which is a very famous restaurant, Nine the Thai place inside, and you can pay $20, $30 for a pretty simple meal. I like the look of this place. It's $2.75 for a taco. So, and they look good. I read good things about them on various internet websites. So we're going to take a peek. I'm going to start with the beef, which is nice and full. Very, very good. What are we looking at?
A really big shoe. It says it's actually worn by the world's tallest man, called Robert.
How tall was he?
He was 8'11". I don't believe that's his shoe. I don't believe he's wearing that.
What have we got now, Trace?
We've been to Elenos,
I think.
which is traditional Greek yogurt, real Greek yogurt, and I've got lemon cheesecake. Paul's got passion fruit. I'll give it a go. It's really nice, and it's got crunchy bits on it as well, like you get on the bottom of a cheesecake. It's really, really nice. You gonna taste yours?
No, you taste mine.
Really, really nice. And got crunchy seeds as well.
Which one's better?
Cheesecake one. It's
Better.
better.